Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. I'm putting together a new desktop chair and I want you to see all of the components that come with it. Now, I will not bore you guys with making you sit and watch me put this together, but I did want you guys to see that everything that you need to assemble this chair comes in the box. These are very high quality metal and plastic components. The instruction manual basically walks you through it step by step as to how to set everything up. So once I have all of the different components and screws in place, I will show you guys this super cool chair. This is the box that the chair arrives in. It is very simple to set up. What I want to show you guys is some of the cool features. So you have 5 legs on this chair. Each one of them has the double wheels. You guys can also see underneath here, you have all of your mechanical controls right here at your fingertips. If I rotate this around a little bit, you guys can see here is your leveler for raising and lowering the chair. These are the arms on it. Now, the armrests are not padded, they're just plastic, but it does have sort of a cushiony feel to it, which is really nice. Now, it does come with a few additional screws, and of course, you guys know it comes with the instruction manual. The instruction manual, I would say, was very good as far as, putting it together, but you guys might want to resource some other videos in case you run into some problems. But once you look at what each one of the components are, it even comes with the Allen key that you're going to need to assemble. It's going to be relatively easy. The cushion for the chair is really nice, very plush, and it feels like it's somewhat of a water or moisture wicking material. Now, let's take a look here at the back of the chair. As you guys can see, this is perforated, so it's going to allow airflow through the back. It does have a mid-back support. I'll show you guys that as well. So on the rear of the chair here, you can kind of see where the controls are for this and adjusting the intensity of that onto the back of the chair. Everything, like I said, was really easy to assemble. The chair, the finishing looks really good on it. Show you guys a little bit more detail here. But yeah, I think this is going to be an excellent office chair. So if you're looking for something for relaxation, for gaming, for standard office work, I think this could be an excellent chair for you guys. So definitely check this guy out. As I said, it was very, very easy to put together. So hopefully this little video has been helpful, informative. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.